Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel, guys. And we've got an unboxing of, I think this is the last fall scent that I got coming in here at the last minute before our live stream. And this one is from the Bearded Pup. The Bearded Pup. I get to wear my one and only swag hat. I got this one from the Blackbeard Trading Company. Their subscription box of the month a couple months back featured items from the Bearded Pup. And one of those was this hat, as well as the Home Wrecker scent in oil and balm, which I really like. It's a nice light cologne scent, and I'm slowly being converted over to the cologne scents. But my favorites is some of those nice, warm, deep, rich fall scents. I'm kind of on fall scent overload. I got a whole table full we're going to be talking about in our live stream. I'm not sure if I can get this video up before the live stream or not, but I'm still going to do an unboxing here. And I'll also be doing a follow-up video here for my channel to kind of go through and highlight some more of these fall scents that you've seen me unbox. But we got a lot of packing peanuts here. I was wondering what was in here because there's quite a big box here. So we've got something called Dark Amber. That sounds good. I like amber. That's a nice rich scent that goes along with it. We've got a spiced cider. Oh, this is another company that's got multiple fall scents, it appears. Well, this one's a new one. First time I've had a skull on here. So this one is the spiced cider in a nice green skull bottle. So that's cool. We'll open it up in just a second. And then also the dark amber in a dark black skull bottle. So cool. So it looks like I got the oil and the balm in those two scents. And just to check to make sure there's nothing in here. No note, no cool sticker. Oh, I got some stickers. So I've got the Bearded Pup sticker and a nice card there. Ron is the owner. So thank you, Ron, for sending out the products here to all of us for our big live stream. And I'll clean up these packing peanuts a little bit later. Oh man, I got them all in my lap. Let's try that dark amber. Sounds really interesting. Let's see how this bottle does. All right, that comes right off. Oh, that's a nice cologne scent. And it's a little darker because of that amber, so the dark amber cologne. So if you think dark amber cologne, it's pretty much what that is. That seems to be really good. Let's smell that balm to go along with it. Nice artwork on the balm there. And nice and white. Yeah, not quite as strong, not as it doesn't breathe as much because of that waxes and the butters and stuff makes it a little bit flatter, but definitely the same smell. That's going to be a good one, I think. And that one will be an all the time kind of scent, unlike the spiced cider, which you might think wouldn't be an all the time scent. It's more the fall and just basically cold weather. I'm thinking a lot of these fall scents I have, for me, you know, some of them I'll like all year long, but a lot of them will be not just in the fall, but all the way through the Christmas season and probably on into February and March until the spring really starts to come around. Leaves start coming out. That's a nice spiced cider too. Just apple and cinnamon and sugar. It's not too spicy. It's a little sweet. So yeah, that's going to be a good one for sure. And I have the matching balm, and this one's in a white tin. The other one was in a black tin. So once again, nice artwork on that with the spiced cider. Yeah, same kind of thing. It doesn't smell overly waxy, and it does seem to be a good medium, at least on the balm, because it's not too translucent. You can kind of tell how thick it's going to be. But yeah, it looks to be a medium, at least on the balm. And then a couple of nice fall scents from the Bearded Pup. And thank you for sending that out to me. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on a follow-up video. Also see you on the Bearded Sharks live stream with Mo the Bearded Shark and Beard Times with Scott. That should be up even if you miss it, because I'm not sure how fast I can get this up. He still should leave it up on his channel, so I'll try to put a link for it here in this description below, and you guys can check that out and look at all of these great fall scents for this year. All right, thank you so much. We'll see you on the next video.